Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. In today's video, we will explore 7 big reasons why planning your crypto trades is very crucial for success in this volatile market. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. I personally love this exchange for 2 big reasons. As you guys all know, I'm a huge altcoin nerd, okay? I love being able to buy and sell all kinds of different altcoins on a regular basis, and in addition to that, you guys, MEXC has over 1,500 different altcoins and they constantly add new ones all the time. Now, in addition to that, as you guys can clearly see, MEXC has some of the cheapest trading fees in the entire industry right now, which is very nice because you get to keep more of your profits, which obviously everybody wants to keep as much profits as they possibly can. So you might want to take advantage of MEXC's very cheap trading fees right now. All right, guys. So as we all know, all right, I really don't have anything to show you. You're just going to be looking at my pretty face down there. But as we all know, trading crypto can be extremely rewarding, you guys. But it also comes with extremely high risks, as we all know. And many traders, especially beginners, they often jump into trades without a solid plan, and it usually never works out well for them. Not for long anyway. So I'm going to go through 7 different reasons why planning your trades is absolutely crucial, okay? So the very first reason that I want to talk about here is risk management, okay? Planning your trades allows you to literally assess and manage risk effectively, okay? By setting stop loss orders, you can limit potential losses and protect your capital. Here's the thing, without a plan, you're more likely to panic sell during market downturns, locking in losses that might have been avoidable with a well thought out strategy, all right? Now, the second reason is all based on emotional control, all right? Here's the thing, all right? We all know that the crypto market is notorious, absolutely notorious, guys, for its wild price swings, which can trigger emotional reactions in traders, and it always usually does. So, planning out your trades in advance helps you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed, all right? Here's the thing. A solid plan keeps your emotions in check and prevents you from making costly mistakes, all right? Now, the third reason that I've got for you guys is so that you have clear entry and exit points, all right? Realistically, a trading plan gives you clear entry and exit points based on your analysis and risk tolerance, all right? And this clarity pretty much ensures that you don't miss profitable opportunities or hold on to losing positions for too long, all right? It also helps you set realistic profit targets as well. Now, the fourth reason that I've got for you guys here is based all on pretty much objective analysis, all right? Without a plan, you might end up relying on unreliable sources, rumors and or emotions to take or to make your trading decisions, which is obviously a big no-no. You don't want to be doing that. But when you have a well-structured plan, on the other hand, forces you to rely on objective analysis, all right? Such as stuff like, technical and fundamental indicators, ensuring that your trades are based on sound reasoning rather than just guesswork and trading blindly, all right? Now, the next reason that I've got for you guys is, trade size management, all right? Here's the thing, planning your trades includes determining the appropriate trade size relative to your overall portfolio, all right? Overcommitting to a single trade can expose you to excessive risk that you should not be taking, while trading too conservatively may also limit or hinder your profit potential. So again, a trading plan helps you to get the right balance, all right? Typically what I see people do is they usually trade with roughly around like 1 to 3% of their overall capital that they have in their futures fund or trading fund in general. So again, you want to make sure that you are controlling your overall risk, okay? But the next reason that I've got for you guys here, which is number 6, is adaptability, all right? A good trading plan is never set in stone, all right? It's usually typically adaptable, all right? Meaning you're not going to create a trading strategy and you're going to stick with the exact same parameters throughout 4 or 5, 6 years or whatever throughout your trading journey, all right? It's going to, you're going to have to adapt to new new indicators, new micro strategies, stuff like that on a regular basis. Here's the thing. We all know that crypto markets can change rapidly due to news or events or unexpected developments. So with a plan gosh, my talking is getting out of hand here. With having a plan in place, you can adjust your strategy based on new information while still adhering to your overall trading framework, all right? Now, this last reason that I've got for you guys is learning and improvement. This one is key, all right? I'm a huge learning nerd. I'm a huge educator. I love and I believe in free education. And here's the thing. Trading plans serve as very valuable, I can't say this enough, very valuable learning tools, okay? By documenting your trades and their outcomes, you can review your successes and failures objectively, which is it's a very nice thing to be able to do. This analysis that you keep for yourself overall helps you to be able to identify areas for improvement, refine your strategies, and become a more skilled trader over time overall. So overall here, guys, in the world of cryptocurrency trading, planning is your best ally, all right? Entering trades blind or relying solely on luck is literally almost always a recipe for disaster, all right? And I see this way too often. A well-structured trading plan helps you to be able to manage your risk, control your emotions, and make informed decisions, all right? It provides the discipline and structure necessary to navigate the often crazy crypto markets successfully, all right? Another thing to remember is that even the most experienced traders cannot predict the future with certainty, all right? However, by planning your trades, you stack the odds in your favor and increase your chances of achieving consistent profitability while minimizing potential losses, all right? So what you want to do here is you want to take the time to create a solid trading plan before you enter your next crypto trade, all right? Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video or anything that's related to altcoins or trading in general, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me in my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below this video as well. But overall here, guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, so I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, before you guys leave, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.